Dry Brushing Detox, the ultimate skin and health reboot you didn't know you needed. Welcome back here. A big shout out to all our amazing subscribers. We appreciate you. A big thank you to all our viewers who are yet to subscribe. We appreciate you immensely. But please hit the subscribe button and share our videos with friends and loved ones. You will be doing them a huge favor. Our health is our best asset and wealth. Science-backed information about health and wellness is golden. Let's dive in. Did you know your skin is your body's largest detox organ? But most of us ignore it until it sends distress signals. What if I told you that with just a few minutes a day, you can awaken your skin, support your immune system, and glow from the inside out, using nothing but a simple brush? Welcome to the world of dry brushing, a centuries-old practice that's making a major comeback. In today's video, we're diving deep into how it works, what it really does, and why your skin and your health will thank you. The history and origins of dry brushing. Dry brushing isn't a new trend. It dates back thousands of years. Ancient Greeks used similar techniques in their bathhouses. Ayurvedic medicine practices Garshana, a dry massage with raw silk gloves. The Japanese had their own method called dry towel rub-downs to promote health and circulation. Even Native Americans used natural materials to exfoliate and stimulate the skin. So why has this ancient ritual stood the test of time? Because it works, with powerful, body-wide effects. The science behind it: skin, lymph and circulation. When you dry brush, you're doing more than exfoliating. Let's break it down. Your skin sheds dead cells daily. If left unaddressed, it clogs pores and dulls your glow. Dry brushing clears this layer away. But here's the real magic. It stimulates your lymphatic system, the body's detox highway. The lymph system doesn't have a pump like the heart. It needs movement to circulate. Brushing stimulates this, helping clear toxins and boost immunity. You're also increasing blood circulation, which brings oxygen and nutrients to the skin and deeper tissues. Core health benefits. 1. Exfoliation. Dry brushing removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and softens rough patches, like elbows and knees. 2. Boosted circulation. Feel cold hands and feet? Stimulating blood flow can bring warmth and vitality to extremities. 3. Lymphatic drainage and detoxification. Brushing assists your body's natural waste removal system. Less puffiness, better digestion, and stronger immunity. 4. Improved skin tone and texture. Many users report smoother, firmer skin and a glow that no serum can match. 5. Reduced appearance of cellulite. Temporarily plumps skin and breaks up fat deposits under the surface. It's not magic, but many see visual improvement. 6. Mental and emotional boost. It's invigorating. A gentle 5-minute session can feel like a natural espresso shot. It promotes clarity and helps manage stress. Dry brushing step-by-step routine. What you'll need: a natural bristle brush, not synthetic. Long handle optional for hard-to-reach areas. How to do it: start at your feet, brush upward in long strokes, legs to thighs, toward the heart. Arms, from hands to shoulders. Abdomen, circular motion clockwise. Back, downward strokes if using a long handle. Chest and neck, very gentle strokes. Pro tips: brush 5-10 strokes per section, always on dry skin, before showering. Follow with a cool rinse and moisturizer, like coconut oil or shea butter. When to avoid it. Plus side effects. Dry brushing isn't for everyone. Avoid it if you have eczema, psoriasis, or very sensitive skin. You have open cuts, rashes, or infections. You've had recent surgery or swollen lymph nodes. Also, clean your brush weekly with soap and water. Don't overdo it. 2 to 4 times per week is enough. Testimonials. After 3 weeks of dry brushing, my skin is so much smoother and I feel less bloated. It's like a mini massage every morning. My cellulite is less noticeable too. More energy, better sleep, and I feel like I'm glowing. Tips to maximize results. Tips to boost benefits. Combine with hydration. Drink water before and after brushing. Use natural body oils to seal in moisture. Pair with rebounding sauna or cold showers for enhanced detox. Stick to a morning routine for best results. Let's recap. Dry brushing is more than a beauty hack. It's a holistic health tool. In just 5 minutes a day, you can stimulate detox, boost circulation, smooth your skin, and elevate your mood. It's time to brush your way to better health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a self-care boost today. Comment below. Have you tried dry brushing? What results have you seen? See you in the next video.